Good morning, class. Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you are taking care of yourselves. So, beta, as you know that we have done our half work yesterday, and today we will continue the remaining part of the chapter Pinocchio the Puppet. So, first of all, you will mention classwork, and after that date, which is Thursday, 3rd December 2020. Your subject is English Literature. Textbook read now, and your topic Pinocchio the Puppet. It is on page number 75. So, we have to solve our remaining questions. As you know that we have done 8 questions yesterday, so we will solve remaining today. So open your books and prepare your page. You have to draw margin line, underline topic and exercise. After that, you will start from question number 9. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, I have mentioned here classwork and after that date, which is 3, 12 and 20. So question number 9, what did Geppetto use to carve the puppet? As you can see in the picture, okay, you can see in the picture that Mr. Geppetto is carving the puppet. What is he is taking help with a knife. So what will be the answer of this question? Geppetto used a knife to carve the puppet. Okay, question number 10. What was strange about the puppet's nose? As you know, if you remember the story, the nose of the puppet grows twice. The strange thing about the puppet's nose was that it grew twice as long as his ears after carving. Question number 11. What happened when Geppetto finished the hands? The clever puppet snatched his wig as he got his hand. You can look in the picture that puppet snatched his wig, and Mr. Geppetto is very much astonished and amazed by his but by what he has done. You can see he didn't make its feet yet. Okay, so we will move to the next question. So question number 12. What happened when he finished the feet? Answer. What will be the answer? This. When the puppet got the feet, it started running. As Geppetto finished his feet, the puppet ran across the room. Where did the puppet go? The puppet went to the street. I already showed you the picture. And you will write this answer on your book. Who caught him? Now you can see in the picture who caught him? A policeman. This is a policeman who caught Pinocchio. The policeman caught him. The correct answer for this question. Question number 15. Why did people put coins in Geppetto's hat? People put coins in Geppetto's hat because he had made a clever puppet. So you will write these questions on your notebook. I have already given you instructions how to write these on your question notebooks. I will share image of this work also. So if you have any kind of problem, you can contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.